The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 25th day of July. I'm James Spann. Hey, late July, you know it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, and some storms around. Pretty easy forecasting this time of the year. Let's go in there and check things out. We'll do our best to see if we can find out any day-to-day variations in this classic summer pattern. Heat ridge all across the deep south. Higher heights a little west of the state. Kind of a disorganized mass of storms in the Gulf of Mexico. So far, showers kind of slow in forming today. That was the radar at 2:20. Had some thunderstorms over Cherokee and Cleburne counties in far east Alabama, but still, we've got several hours left where storms could pop up at any place at any time. Temperatures exactly where they should be for late July. Mostly low 90s on the board. Birmingham 91, Tuscaloosa 89. Hey, that's not bad at all for this time of the year. Around the nation, sure looks like summer. A lot of 80s, a lot of 90s. We got heat advisories for parts of the Atlantic coastal region and a couple of severe storm watch areas over the Northeast. There's one of them. This includes Pennsylvania, New Jersey, parts of New York, and actually had a couple of tornado warnings within that watch within the hour. There's a slight risk, the standard risk of severe weather up in that zone for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal risks back to the southwest toward the Ohio River. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk over parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. And on day 3, Wednesday, marginal risk across the high plains. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. And understand, we all know that these maps are not necessarily the best this time of the year because of the uneven distribution of the rain with scattered storms. But most locations have a chance of getting, I think, 1 inch, really, between now and Saturday. Some spots could see more, some maybe less. Tropics, same old song and dance. The disturbance of the Gulf is not organized. The rest of the Atlantic basin covered mostly in dry air. We note the intertropical convergence zone with a few waves there, but again, things just look quiet for a while. So, here we go, model fans. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. You can see the ridge all across the deep south. The higher heights a little east, a little west of here, and again, that looks like a very typical summer day. Partly sunny with a few scattered storms. Low 90s, exactly what you expect in late July. Same thing Wednesday. Storms could be a little more active, perhaps, as the ridge begins to weaken, and Thursday and Friday we'll have scattered storms about. That's Thursday, and this is Friday. Impossible to tell you who gets the rain, where and when, but they'll be around. And again, the GFS has tried to push highs back into the upper 80s. I think low 90s are still probably the best bet in the end of July. On the weekend, the weather's just not going to change a whole lot. Saturday, mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered showers and storms. Same thing. Sunday, highs at or just over 90. And hopefully along the way, we'll get some decent summer rain. You know, we can't promise a big widespread rain event this time of the year unless there's a tropical system involved, but those scattered showers and storms, that's pretty much what we have to rely on. Week from today, Monday, 1st of August, 594 heat ridge across the nation's heartland. Got kind of a northerly flow aloft here, and again, same deal. Partly sunny, scattered showers and storms. Into the forecast period, Thursday of next week, the 4th of August, same thing. Heights about where they should be, and it's the same forecast. Partly sunny, scattered storms. We note a 1014 millibar low east of the coast of the Carolinas. We'll see if that tries to show up in a consistent fashion on the GFS. It did on the run we showed you this morning as well. Numbers, this is off the GFS, and again, you can see it pushes highs back into the upper 80s late this weekend over the weekend. But I think the European here probably closer to the truth. More than likely is somewhere in between. I think low 90s are likely really for the next 10 to 15 days, with lows mostly in the mid-70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.